In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly track your orders on Temu. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you navigate through the process with ease, ensuring you can keep an eye on your purchases from the moment they're processed to when they finally arrive at your doorstep. So let's dive right in and get started on making order tracking a breeze. First things first, the initial step you want to take is to head over to the Temu website. You can do this by simply opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Temu, or directly typing in the web address if you know it. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a range of options at the top or throughout the main page, but our focus is getting to your profile. With Temu's interface being user-friendly, finding your profile should be straightforward. Look for a recognizable icon or a menu that says Profile. Clicking this will take you to your personal section on the site. Here, you have access to various features like your purchase history, personal settings, and more. But right now, we're interested in the Your Orders section. You might see this as a button or a tab depending on what device or version of the site you're using, but it's generally prominently displayed for your convenience. Once you've clicked on Your Orders, you'll see a couple of subsections such as Processing or Shipped. These categories help you keep track of where each of your orders stands. If you're awaiting a delivery, you'll want to check either of these sections to see which phase your product is in. Look for the specific order you're curious about. This list will display any purchases that are still on their way to you. Now here's where it gets even more practical. For each order, there's usually a track option available. Clicking on this will provide you with the tracking details you need. You may have information like the expected delivery date, the current location of your package, and any other details that can help you anticipate when your package will arrive. This tracking feature is incredibly useful for those who like to plan ahead or need to be home to receive their deliveries. And there we have it, you're done. With these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively track your orders on Temu. Keeping tabs on your purchases has never been easier. Whenever you buy something, just follow this guide to stay updated on where your package is and when it will arrive. This not only ensures peace of mind, but also enhances your online shopping experience by keeping you informed every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.